welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Precise measurements keep Coca-Cola's flavor consistent worldwide. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Ratios are optimized. We hit the green zone right on target.
Confirmed. System holding steady.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. Learn that fans from start to finish.